The fluorescent lights of the downtown courthouse flickered, casting a cold glow over the holding room. Officer Daniels leaned against the wall, his arms crossed, a smirk tugging at his lips. "Look at this one," he said to his partner, nodding toward the woman sitting calmly on the bench. "Bet she's here for shoplifting or resisting arrest. Probably can't even spell attorney." His partner, Officer Miller, chuckled. "Yeah, I've seen her type. Big attitude, no respect for the law. They think the rules don't apply to them." The woman didn't respond. She sat straight-backed, her tailored navy suit immaculate despite the chaos around her. Her hair was neatly braided, her eyes steady, and her presence carried an authority neither man noticed, yet. "Name?" Daniels finally asked, glancing at the clipboard. "Elena Brooks." He raised an eyebrow. "What did you do? Yell at the wrong store clerk? Jaywalk?" She tilted her head slightly. "I was invited here," she said evenly. Miller snorted. "Sure you were. Everyone's invited to court." They laughed again, the sound echoing in the sterile room. Daniels gestured toward the metal detector in the adjacent hallway. "You're lucky we don't have cuffs on you. Let's just get this over with." The bailiff entered, scanning the room. "Congresswoman Brooks?" Both officers froze. Daniel's smirk vanished instantly. The bailiff turned to the woman with a respectful nod. "We're ready for you in the chamber, ma'am. The judge is waiting for your testimony on the civil rights oversight case." Daniels's throat went dry. Miller's face flushed crimson. "Congresswoman?" Elena stood gracefully, her heels clicking against the tile. "Gentlemen," she said, pausing in front of them, "in a few minutes I'll be speaking before the court about the systemic biases that lead to prejudice in policing. It seems I won't need to look far for examples." Her voice was calm, but her words landed like a gavel strike. Without another glance, she followed the bailiff out, leaving Daniels and Miller in a stunned silence that felt heavier than any reprimand. From the courtroom door, Elena glanced back briefly, her eyes steady. She didn't need to raise her voice. Her very presence spoke volumes, about dignity under pressure, about the danger of assumptions, and about the quiet power of those underestimated. In the chamber, her testimony would be heard by lawmakers, reporters, and the public. But for Daniels and Miller, the real lesson had already been delivered, before the cameras, before the speeches, right there in that holding room. Some truths she knew didn't need a microphone.